Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to lock Facebook profile. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So step 1, you need to log into your Facebook account and then tap this profile at the top, go to your profile. In order for you to lock your profile for privacy purposes, all you have to do here is you have to scroll down till you see this three dots below. Click this one. And then you have to scroll down till you see this lock profile. Tap lock profile, and you should read the following instruction and information here. As you can see, lock your profile to make your photos and posts more private in one step. So only friends will see your past and future photos. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture. People will still be able to see profile info set to public or public post. So after that, you just have to click lock your profile, wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, you lock your profile, only your friends can see the photos and posts on your profile. Tap on OK to confirm, wait for a couple of seconds, and basically that's it. If someone visits your profile, they will see profile locked or lock profile. And that's how easy it is to lock Facebook profile. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.